and that's the sauce.
I'm glad we have the nursing administration here. That's great.
Thank you, Dr. Dixon and Patricia as well.
Thank you,
so
Dr.
much.
Oh, thank you, Jaja Foundation.
Thank you,
Keep up the good work.
Thank you, Jaja. You know you always come through.
This is Amber from Jaja Foundation.
Can you tell?
Yeah, no.
It's important to be involved at any level because the doctors and nurses are on the front line, and anything that we can do and aid them, it's incredibly important at this time. The reason for feeding them is to meeting them where they're at. They're doing incredible work and probably can't get a bite to eat. So it was important for PT Just Jerk, cope with Jaja Foundation to make this happen for the doctors, for the nurses, and to just play our part. A small part, but play our part.
It's a very important gesture that Just Jerk is offering to feed our first responders and take care of people who are on the front line fighting this COVID crisis. So until it's over, we are going to be supporting. The Jaja Foundation will be trying to support them in any way we can to get through this crisis.
Thank you, everybody. Keep strong. Keep together. Keep the faith up. We're going to get
Thank
this
you for
all
everything.
together.
We love you.
We're all in this together.
This is April Foods Day, okay? So we have to feed our first responders because they're the ones that's keeping the front line in check. Thank you.
Absolutely, you're quite welcome, and it's our honor.
We have to stick together, and we appreciate you so much,
do.
and we
Thank
know
you
you
so
never
much.
forget us.
So I'm Jackie Figueroa from North Beth Israel Medical Center here in Newark, New Jersey. Just want to say to everybody, please stay home, wash your hands, of course. Keep your family safe as much as you can. We are all in this together. Let's be kind to one another, but we will get through this. We'll see the rainbow at the other side. Stay strong.
This is Dr. Dixon from Jaja Foundation. We teamed up with PT Just Jerk here in Newark on Chancellor Avenue to support the first responders here at Newark Beth Israel Medical Center. Jaja Foundation will be here for the community in good times and in bad times.